All right, Mr. Howard. Let's begin.
Afraid to see me? It's been 6 years.
Please don't bring up the past. I've already forgotten about all of it.
Really? I haven't. So, how have you been? Did you marry a rich guy as you wished?
That's personal. I heard you're getting married. Congratulations.
Congratulations? You really know how to act cool. 6 years ago, you cut me off without a second thought. And now you act like it meant nothing.
You know what, Miles? You should really move on from the past. Don't you have a fiancé? I don't know, shouldn't you cherish her?
Call me Mr. Howard. You have no right to talk to me about cherishing someone. I gave you my heart and threw it away like it was nothing. Do you even know what it means to cherish someone?
I'm sorry if it's hard to let go, but... Miles, we should really continue the examination. Miles?
Evelyn! I got these for you.
I thought you didn't want me anymore.
Don't be silly. Wherever you go, I'll follow.
And what if I don't want you anymore?
I'll do whatever it takes to get you back.
What are you doing?
Evelyn,
Let go of me!
have you thought about me at all over these years? Even just once?